guys, I made these slimes and I really want to show you them. So let me get the first one. This is the first one I wanted to show you. So, sticky. What's my dog doing over there? But it's sticky. Can you see, like, I put glitter in it. Can you see all the glitter? Robin! She hears people outside. Robin! What are you doing? So yeah, that was the first one I wanted to show you. Let me put my sleeves up so I don't want to... Oh wait, did I? So yeah, this is the slime. So yeah, it's very big and really sticky. Why does it have to be so sticky? I've got no idea. That is a question unknown. Right, let's get the next one. The next one, let me just quickly wash my hands. Just have to quickly wash my hands because I don't want to ruin my other slimes. Alright, so let me get the other one. This is not the one I made. So this one is one of my favourite ones actually. It's really pokey. You can see. This one's one of my favourites. I had like loads of activators for this. So this one's also quite like, well, sticky and it's foamy as well. Because I added loads of shaving foam to this. Wait. Can you hear that? Yeah, that one's one of my favorite slimes. Let me show you the next one. The next one is this one. It's a very small one. I made this. All of these slimes I made yesterday, but this one I rushed, so it's not that good. I had loads of activator in that to this as well. Yeah, I don't have a lot of activator left now. I went a bit crazy on this one. Yeah, this one's also got glitter in it. Yeah, my other one, I think, yeah, I added glitter to that one as well, but this one's got glitter. You can see there, and you can see right there. So yeah, this one's also really sticky. Like, all of them are really sticky now. I think it wasn't that sticky yesterday, but now they're really sticky. So yeah, that's that slime. Let me get the other ones. Here's another one I made. This one is really good. So that's what I think. this one is like also really sticky, but also really jiggly as well. So yeah, jiggly slime. Jiggle. Oh, then what's the matter? We've been to the toilet like a minute ago, so well, not a minute ago, 5 minutes ago, before I started this video. You're not going again, okay? Right, I know what you want to do is play. Alright, so that's that. Yeah, that's also got glitter in it. Right, this is the last one I'm going to show you. This one is very glittery. So yeah. This one isn't the best because it doesn't feel that nice. You probably see the cat out there. So yeah, this one is very glittery. Mommy, don't you think this is very glittery? Yeah, my sister made this one. I didn't make this one. She wanted to make a slime with me. And then this is what came out. She used a lot of glitter. So yeah, this one isn't that pokey. Well, it is a little bit. Actually, let me see about this one. Is this one pokey? Yes, that one's pokey. So yeah, these are all my slimes, except from this one because this one is my friend. That will be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!